On Windows 11, you can reset app to the default settings when you are not working correctly. The settings app let you quickly reset modern apps from the Microsoft Store. To reset an app on Windows 11, use this step. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to reset app not working on Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on apps. Click the install apps tab. Select the app to reset on Windows 11. Click the menu button of the left side and click on advanced option. Click the reset button. Click reset button. Once you complete the step, the app's data will be deleted as if it was recently installed. Upon launching the app again, you may need to log in into the service and configure your settings again. This method only works for specific apps available throughout Microsoft Store. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe